Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, while omunye ubaba is on a Makhumalo smear campaign, complaining left and right about uMakhumalo, you guys, umama's yena is khuphuka in one way. So uMakhumalo posted this picture of herself, you guys. It's written Thobile Mselegu, Chief Communications Officer, member ESG team. And then she captions it, "Dear Madam, kind regards," and puts her new titles there. Ezantike, guys. This is uMakhumalo, guys, saying ukuthi she got a new position as a CCO, a Chief Communications Officer for a team called ESG. And listen, halala Makhumalo, the timing, guys, of these news is impeccable, because we know on the show, though it happened, the show was shot about months ago, but the way uMusamsele is just trying by all means to make uMakhumalo's efforts seem like it's nothing, guys. The way her fans, guys, were so happy for her in the comment section of how uMakhumalo's constantly pushing herself to be more. Abanye were even saying, "Madam, sicela salary increment lapho." And obviously that is just throwing jabs to Usamke of how she was asking uMusamselebu for a salary increase, and kahle she was asking the wrong person. She must go all the way to the chief communication don specialist and ask for an increment. Mina nje, I'm just waiting to see if Umusa is going to post uMakhumalo. He hasn't done so in a while. I want to see if he's going to congratulate her for her new position. But another thing I've noticed, guys, is that I kind of feel like, yes, this drama between Umusa Selegu and uMakhumalo is true, but I do kind of feel like they're all over it, because sometimes the way uMakhumalo will share the trailers and she'll laugh about certain things, it's like we are the crazy ones fighting alone, because she's laughing and making jokes about certain things, and let's get, guys, she's just that type of person, because there's those people that will literally make jokes out of the situations they're in. As the saying goes, guys. Anyway, send your congratulations to uMakhumalo, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.